can't see it.
Perhaps even edited to sound a little different. Try messing around with a couple different synth sounds.
Teddy.
Of course, it is absolutely essential that you make your new drum really fucking heavy.
You missed the fence by like 6 inches.
A millimeter.
Hey guys, Casey and I said here. It's like 8 o'clock on a Monday night. It's like terrible weather for drone flying. We're gonna get some drone shots. I got my DJI Phantom 6 here. Let's take a look at the Phantom 6. DIY Galaxy battery.
It's really bad. Yeah. Go my feed. Here we go.
Here we go.
Go.
Get some drone shots.
Oh, there we go.
So here's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna do this, okay? Some kitty cats in the window. The sky is bad. Trying to get some drone shots. Let's go.
Yeah.
There goes that flying away. I can't see it all. The drone is like dying. Let's get some drone shots with the cameraman. Hey, cameraman.
The drone will kill you. Run NSA spy or fucked help every man for himself.
Well, I seem to have almost killed my cameraman. Are you okay?
No.